Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing and review on my new gas detector. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out, but let's go ahead and open it up and take a look at it. This is an actual case that it comes in, so pretty nice. It's going to keep it really well secured in here, so let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, so a lot of padding on here, very good. User manual right there, definitely going to need that. Type-C cable. USB block. This is like a gas adapter for it. And then the actual device itself. Take a look. This is where you'll charge it. So I like that it's covered so that we don't have to worry about any like dust or anything getting in here. Very nice. And then I know this part back here, you could either use this hook to hang it wherever you want, or you can clamp this to wherever you like, and then you literally just do that, and then you're good to go. So let's go ahead and power it on.
Welcome to use intelligent voice gas detector. Starting. Please wait.
All right, very nice. So there we go, we got it on. So let's go ahead and see exactly how it works. We'll go through some of the features and then go from there. Okay, so what's cool is this gas detector can sense various gases like carbon monoxide, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, and different combustibles such as methane, ethane, propane, and butane. I do like that the high quality sensor, and it does claim to have less than a 5% error on it. It does respond fairly quickly within 30 seconds, which I'll show here in a little bit. And it does have different alarms, audio, visuals, and vibrations, so you're alerted at any time. So right now I'm gonna show you how to get to like the main menu. So here in the settings is where you're able to modify the low alarm points and the high alarm points. I actually will not be messing with it, as like I'm just gonna stick to what it already comes with. But what you probably will change is probably the backlight settings and or the password that it comes with. The other cool thing that I showed on that other screen was the battery. It does offer up to 12 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, so I thought that was pretty good. So it does do like up to a standby of up to 5 days, and it'll quickly charge within 2 hours, so you're good to go. One of the other awesome things about it is this gas detector meets international safety standards and has undergone a lot of rigorous testing. Okay, and I'm just showing you how easy it is to install the standard gas cover. I did read that it has two functions. It is to calibrate the machine, as well as just to keep that same sensors nice and neat and clean. So as you can see, literally just screw it on there and then you're good to go. So we're gonna go ahead and remove just by unscrewing it this way. So and then the other thing that I did want to demonstrate is when the alarm actually goes off, you can hear the voice, the audio, the visuals, the alarms, everything that goes into it. So I'll just go ahead and put it in this bag, and I'll try to seal it super tight so we can see if we can get some of these alarms to go off.
Attention please. Oxygen gas concentration exceeded. Attention please. Oxygen gas low concentration.
Alright guys, so there you go, a quick overview on my new multifunctional gas detector. So if you're looking for one, definitely take a look at this one. Go ahead and get it down on the link below.